All right. So, what are the benefits? Okay. So, you can unlock new audiences across Google's channels and networks, drive better performance against your goals, get more transparent insights, steer automation with your campaign inputs. And the inputs are your images, text, videos, logos, and simplify campaign management and easily optimize your ads. That is the biggest benefit for me and for everyone. It is so easy. You set up the ad, and all you are doing is testing the audiences and testing your creatives. By creatives, I mean images, videos, and text. So you don't need to worry about the keywords, as I said earlier on. All you need to do is to focus on the creative. And you will spend more time thinking about how I can improve my videos, how I can improve my images. So you need to have good photos, good quality videos, and you will find that its Performance Max is going to push you towards improving yourself and your creatives.